It's like incredibly... Oh, shit. I'm gonna talk to my phone. That looks like totally cool. Let's go check them out. Look at my shoes. I don't know if you saw that. They're really cool. See down the street. See down outside. Ooh. That's my mailbox. Oh, Shelly, mother of fucking God. See that? See that shit right there? Probably can't. Mother of fucking God. Look at that. I like fat. Look at this. These are palm trees. Yep. I love you. I'm gonna sit out here while my boyfriend is somewhere. Oh shit. Oh, I can see like a little like light thingy. Here's my car. No! No, I don't want to go over there. You better not come out. Fucker. There's my doggy. Let's see him. Come here, Dookie. Come here. Oh, I don't think I can get it down low enough. I'm gonna go over by the bike. See? There's a room full of shit. That probably sounded really wrong. There you go. Whoever you can see it. Oh shit, mother of God. Ooh. Then you can go back to the place it belongs. I'm gonna sit behind the car. What are you doing out there, Dookie? Come here, Dookie. Come here. Come here. Stop eating grass. Come here. Come here. Please. Fucker. Oh, the lighting's really bad. Can't drown my demons, they know how to swim. Look at my shoes, I love them. You probably can't even fucking see that. I don't give a shit. Yeah. Get out of the sun. I like it over here. Pull my sleeves up. My hair's going back to normal. I'm gonna re-dye it. What am I supposed to talk about? I wonder where my cats are. I'm looking here. There's just tons of shit. Basically. and play with my beanie. Fix my hair. I'll take off my glasses. No. Right. Can't see very well. Is that black guy screaming? Yes, mother. What the fuck? Let me go back. Yeah, he was pretty hot. Just saying. How the hell am I supposed to do this? Right. See how I can't put this. I look like an idiot. Shit. No, I look funny. I look ugly. I can't fucking get it. I'm gonna set it down real quick. Yeah. There we go. I probably look really fat. But yeah. I'm gonna go. Oh, holy fucking hell. That was 8 minutes. Right. I look fat. I don't give a shit. Oh, I'm sorry. My dog heard me swear. Gotta apologize to the puppy. Alright, see? See? There's a cow in my hair. Alright. Peace out, motherfucker.